Hi guys, welcome to Education Leaves. Today I will discuss work-life balance. So, work-life balance refers to the concept of striking a harmonious and fulfilling balance between the demands of one's professional career and personal life. This includes balancing time and energy between work, family, leisure activities, self-care, and other commitments. The goal of work-life balance is to reduce stress and increase satisfaction and overall well-being. Let's discuss the 10 tips for better work-life balance. 1. Set priorities and boundaries for work and personal life. 2. Establish a set schedule for work and stick to it. 3. Take breaks and engage in leisure activities outside of work. 4. Learn to say no to additional work or commitments. 5. Use technology to stay connected with friends and family while at work. 6. Encourage physical activity and exercise to reduce stress. 7. Make time for self-care, such as reading, meditating, or taking a relaxing bath. 8. Delegate responsibilities and seek help when needed. 9. Keep a positive attitude and focus on what brings you joy and fulfillment. 10. Seek support from coworkers, friends, and family to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Now let's discuss the benefits of work-life balance. Work-life balance can bring many benefits to individuals, including 1. It reduces stress. 2. Increases productivity. 3. Improves relationships. 4. Enhances physical health. 5. Provides better job satisfaction. And 6. Provides better work-life integration. Now let's focus on some negative sides of work-life balance. While work-life balance is often seen as a positive goal to strive for, there are also some potentially negative aspects to consider, including 1. It can make you feel guilty for neglecting personal responsibilities. 2. Individuals may feel overwhelmed by their workload and responsibilities. 3. It may cause reduced income as individuals may need to reduce their working hours. 4. Balancing work and personal life can be a challenging task. This can result in stress and frustration. 5. Setting boundaries between work and personal life can be difficult. In conclusion, while work-life balance is a desirable goal, it is challenging. It is important for individuals to be aware of these potential negative effects and to find strategies to manage and overcome them in order to achieve a healthy and fulfilling balance. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.